that wraps up our Indian grocery haul, you guys. And then I spilled the entire bottle of stupid fucking ketchup on myself and on my dress. Ah, it's just so annoying, but whatever. Let's get started. Hey everyone, this is the next day. This is what I'm wearing and I felt very cute, and that is why I'm vlogging. This is this dress from I don't know which brand, but it looks very cute on me and I look amazing. And I'm not very self-obsessed, but whatever. My mom and I are going to the grocery store, the Indian grocery store, which is in Aldgate. I live in Stratford. So when I go there, pick up some ketchup, but Maggi flavored ketchup. It's just a thing, like I cannot do normal ketchup. It's weird. And some Maggi and all those good things which you only get at Indian store, and some kurkure because I did not get kurkure from India and I'm craving kurkure. And then we're gonna go to Ping Pong, which is my favorite dim sum place. It's amazing. And then we're just gonna go roam around Aldgate, Tower Bridge, all those places, and then come back to Stratford and then have dinner at the mall, maybe go to the casino. So that is the plan for the day, and I'm bringing you guys along, so come along. So we're going to the tube station right now, you guys, and we have a suitcase to put all the groceries in, because obviously who's gonna carry them otherwise. How are you feeling, Mallika Boobna?
Very boring Saturday.
Boring Saturday? We're going grocery shopping. How exciting can it get? It's a video.
दूर से लो ना बेटा थोड़ा सा
It's a video.
वीडियो भी है दूर से लो ना
Hey guys, so we're at this amazing place and I've ordered something called pina colada, and they've actually given it in me like in a real pineapple, which is very fascinating. So let's give it a taste test real quick. It's actually very nice, and I can feel the pineapple as well. Very refreshing. So let me have this and I'll see you after, okay? Bye. So guys, we're at this Indian store, as you can clearly see and tell. And the first thing I got is paneer, which is cottage cheese. And now we're getting some bhindi, which is okra, lady fingers, but you don't get that. Lots of lady fingers. Ow. Enough? Bhindi. Chilies. Apparently you do not get rocket chilies at Stratford either. Chili. They're gonna kick me out of the store.
No.
Chili. You all, this is what I came to Taj for specifically, okay? Let me show you, and I hope I don't drop anything. Dun-dun-dun. This is the Maggi hot and sweet sauce by Maggi, and this is the best ketchup there is in this world, and I do not eat any other ketchup except this because it's just perfect. So I always like grab 3-4 bottles because I do not come here very often, and this is literally what I need on a day-to-day basis. So Maggi for the win. Also, it's not an Indian thing, but basically the Waitrose near my house is out of these, and these are things I would need. I'll show you what exactly I'm talking about. My cart is too heavy. I dropped something. This is what I'm talking about. Shin noodles. These are basically anything you would need when you're starving and you're very tired to cook, and these are delicious ramen. So we need loads of these because the Stratford shops are out of these, so gonna keep a lot of these inside. 1.5 pounds, you guys, which is for 10 pence in India. Love that. The last thing I need, which is on my list is none other than Haldiram's Fulka Roti. It is very sad, but I cannot cook rotis, and this is my savior. So we're gonna grab 2 of these big packets because when my mom goes away to India, then I need to eat, and if I cook Indian, this is my savior. And I think that wraps up our Indian grocery haul, you guys. That was everything on our list, and we're gonna go home now. No, we're gonna get out of here now. That's our cart already. I forgot the most important thing, you guys. Pani puri balls. We need tamarind, which is imli, you guys, for the water made for Golgappa. So imli ka pani. Hey you all, so we've been walking with the suitcase for more than 10 minutes and the plan has changed. We're no longer going to ping pong because we're very full with the pina colada we have had in Spitalfields Market. So instead we're going to play golf, which is a very random plan, but oh well. We're outside Hijingo Bingo, which is where you were with my father, and now we're going to play golf. And I'm very tired dragging this stuff around, so let's go get a drink in our system and play some golf. See you inside.
15 minutes later.
We walked for 15 minutes and I don't have an ID because I did not get my bag today because I don't want to carry another bag along with this. And they didn't let us in. They don't think I'm 21. Love that. So now we don't know what to do. Very tired and very disappointed.
More moments later.
You guys, we have given up. No place is giving me entry and I feel like with the yellow dress I look like a kid even more. So they don't believe that I'm 21 or whatever, which sucks. So now I've called for an Uber. We are dropping that stuff home because it's too heavy to drag around and nobody's gonna give me entry anyway. It's a Saturday night. So yeah, we are going home. I'm gonna dress into some black clothes and take my ID. And then we'll decide where to go, what to do. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye. Hey everyone, so we are finally home and the luggage is right here. So we're just gonna drop it off. We had a great car ride and the cab driver was really sweet. So we just like had a good conversation about my work life and where I'm gonna be working and all that good stuff. So now we're gonna get changed into something black and something more adult. And then head off to a better place without an ID. La la la. I'm not gonna record shit, bro.
Eventually.
You guys, basically, fuck you for 1 second. Basically, I wanted to set my tripod so that I could tell you how I make my special Maggi, and then I spilled the entire bottle of stupid fucking ketchup on myself and on my dress, and that's why the bathrobe, because my entire dress is smelling and stinking of ketchup and it's all red and not yellow anymore, which is not fun because I love that dress. So you better subscribe like now, and I'm still gonna tell you how do we make my special Maggi, but consider yourselves very lucky that I'm still doing it after I spilled ketchup on my entire body and my dress. Even my like legs and my it's just so annoying, but whatever, let's get started. Okay, that is just water. I'm gonna put some ketchup after my body, some of it in the water. I need to take a shower after this, you guys. It's not been fun. Ketchup and water. Then we add this. Mix it. Then you add the masala. The Maggi. And then you let it sit. Oh my god. And then you let it sit for like 4 or 5 minutes, and then if you want you can put some Maggi masala on top, but it's ready otherwise and it's delicious. I'm gonna give you a taste test, but it has been a very traumatizing experience telling you how I make my special Maggi. Peace out. The Maggi is ready, you guys. That's how it looks. It smells delicious. So let's just transfer this into a bowl and let's do a quick taste test. Guys, so I have my Netflix, I have my Coke and I have my Maggi. Let's do a quick taste test. It's very, very hot. I can assure you it's the best Maggi you'll have forever. It is so good. You can taste the spicy ketchup and the chili sauce, but it's balancing very well with the Maggi masala, and it just... So let me know if you do try out my Maggi recipe at your house, because I literally spilled ketchup all over me for it. So at least tell me if you tried it and if you like it or not. And after watching Netflix and completing this Maggi, I'm just gonna go get ready for the casino. So yeah, I'll see you at the casino in a better avatar. Bye. Everyone, I'm all changed. I don't know why this mirror is so blurry. But this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing blue denims, black top. I don't think you can see anything, so whatever. Let's go. We made it to the casino, you guys. My mom is behind me. And we are at the casino. Let's go to the roulette machine. That's our table, you guys, and that's hers. Let's get started. 10 pounds.
A few minutes later.
Today is not our day, you guys. A few more minutes and drink later. Guys, we lost 70 pounds. Not kidding, 70. Yes. That's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this far, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please do it. And yes, I will see you next time. Much love. Bye.